handle is wrought iron, but it has a steel button welded on here to assist all the hammer blades while you make the nail handle.
What would you do if sparks caught wood on fire?
Which wood?
Like the wood that's surrounding the base of the fire.
They're not going to catch that on fire. The only thing I'd be concerned about catching on fire would be the canvas roof. And I have a hidden fire extinguisher I would pull out and squirt it with. We don't know what their roof was here. It could have been canvas to start with, which would be in the form of an old sail. It could have been thatch, because we have mentions of thatch roofs, which scares me even more than canvas for fires and sparks. So that doesn't appear to catch fire that often from sparks. Or it could have been bark, because we have records of them using bark roofs, which they probably learned from looking at the dwellings of the Native Americans here. The first step in making a nail is to draw out the end to a long tapered point. This will start the nail head and determine the length of the shaft when it's driven down past the anvil. Now, intentionally letting my hammer hang over the edge of the anvil to make two shoulders to drive it down past the anvil. It's a little cold. Drop it in the bucket. Now that process is called forging.